were still wondering, how does it sound? So let's tap right in. I'm gonna show you how I get it in, what I do every day at the start of the day, every day throughout the day, and every day at the end of the day, to reprogram my mind using repetition of thought. Yes, let's tap right in. I am peace. Yes, my mind is at peace. I am peace. Yes, I am. I am peaceful. I am serenity. Yes, I am serenity. Yes, I am. I am that. I am. I am calm and relaxed. Yes, I am. Everything is good and going as it should. Yes, yes, it is. Yes, 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 I am. I am relaxed. I am at peace. Yes, I am. I am. Today is going to be a good day. Yes, today is a good day. Today ended well. Today ended well. Yes, I got all of my goals accomplished today. I got all of the things done that I needed to complete on today. Yes, I got all of the things done that I needed to complete on today. Yes, I did. Yes, 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 I did. I am thankful that I got all of my goals done. Yes, I am thankful. I am happy that I got all of my goals done. I am happy. I am happy. Yes, yes. Everything is good. Everything is all right. I am making progress in all of my goals. I am thankful that I am making progress in all of my goals. Yes, yes, I am. I am excited about life. I am motivated to complete every goal that I have. I am motivated to complete every goal that I have. I am motivated to complete every goal that I have. Yes, I am. I am successful. I am prosperous. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am successful. I am prosperous. I am wealthy. I am healthy. I am successful. I am prosperous. I am wealthy and healthy. Yes, I am. I am that. I am. Yes, I am that. I am. I am abundance. I am infinite abundance. Yes, I am. I am infinite abundance. Yes, I am. I am infinite abundance. I am that. I am. Yes, yes, I am that. I am. I am clarity of mind. Yes, I am clarity of mind. I am on the vibrational frequency of clarity. I am on the vibrational frequency of peace. I am on the vibrational frequency of love. Yes, I am. I am that. I am. I am. I am the energy of love. I am the energy of peace. I am the energy of confidence. I am the energy of wealth. I am the energy of prosperity. I am the energy of love. I am the energy of peace. I am the energy of joy. I am the energy of wealth. I am the energy of good health. Yes, I am healthy. Yes, I am good health. I am infinite strong health. I am abundant strong health. I am that. I am. I am that. I am. I attract good people. I attract good energy into my life. I attract good people. I attract good energy into my life. I attract good people. I attract good energy into my life. I attract positive beings. I attract positive beings. I attract positive vibrations. I attract positive energy. Yes, I am balanced. I am well balanced. Yes, I am balanced. I am balanced. I am comfortable in my own shoes. I am confident. I am comfortable with myself. I love myself. I am love. I am healthy self-love. I am well-balanced self-love. I am well-balanced confidence. I am well-balanced confidence. I am that. I am. I am that. I am. I know when and how to show love to others. I know when and how to show love to others. I know when and how to receive love from others. I know when and how to receive love from others. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, 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 I do. I do know how to receive love. I do know how to give love. I do know how to give and receive good things. Yes, yes, I do. Yes, 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 I do. Yes, I know. I know. I believe in myself. I believe in my abilities. I believe Yes, I believe I can do anything that I put my mind to. I can do anything I put my mind to. Yes, I can. I can do anything that I put my mind to. Yes, I can. I can and I am. I can and I am and I will. I will, I shall, and I can and I am. I am going to do all of the things that I need to do. Matter of fact, I have already accomplished it. I've already accomplished all of the things that I need to get done. I've already accomplished all of my goals that I have in my mind, that I have written down on paper. Yes, and I prosper in my goals. I succeed in my goals. I prosper in my goals. I succeed in my goals. I succeed in my goals. I succeed. I succeed. I succeed in my goals. I am successful. Yes, I am infinite success. Yes, I am infinite success. I am infinite success. Yes, I am infinite success. Yes, yes, I am. I am that. I am. I am that. I am. I am. I am. I am. I am. I am that. I am. Yes. I am prosperous. Yes. I am prospering in all areas of my life. I am prospering. I am prospering in all areas of my life. I am prospering. I am prospering in all areas of my life. I am prospering. Yes, 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 I am. I am. I am that. I am. I am that. I am. I am. I am. I am. I am. I am that. I am. Yes. I am. I am love. I experience love in all areas of my life. I experience love and wealth and health in all areas of my life. I am financially
Greetings,
healthy.
Justice. How are
I am
you?
socially healthy. I am physically healthy. I am spiritually
Hey,
healthy.
Joanna. How are
I
you?
am mentally healthy. Yes, I am. I am. I attract good knowledge. I attract divine knowledge. I attract infinite good knowledge. I am infinite good knowledge. I am infinite good knowledge. I am infinite divine knowledge.
All is well.
Infinite divine
All
knowledge.
is well.
I am infinite divine knowledge.
I'm going to go through these interrogatories for you all.
Vibrational knowledge. I am sacred knowledge. I am sacred knowledge. I attract the energy of sacred knowledge. I attract the energy of sacred knowledge. Yes, yes, I do. I do. I do. I attract the energy of sacred knowledge. I attract the energy of the ancient knowledge of the ancestors. Yes, I attract the energy of the ancient knowledge of the ancestors. Yes, I am on the vibrational frequency of the energy of the ancient knowledge of the ancestors. Yes, I am. I am.
I'm about to go over these interrogatories. So let me get into it. Zoom it in some.
Vibrational frequency of successful ideas. I am on the vibrational frequency.
This is for Tila. This is a sample. You know, this is not going to be for every claim. This is definitely going to vary because Tila is very, very complex. Very, very complex. So when you're looking at Tila, it's like 1,000-piece puzzle. But all you need is piece by piece and you can put it together, right? So this is going to be a sample of your first set. Remember, you could have up to 3 sets. Excuse me, you got up to 3 sets of interrogatories. Up to 3 sets. So now, it's going to be pursuant to Rule 33 of the Rules of the Court. And you're going to give them a little bit of, background information. You want to give them some definitions. A request to describe any oral statement or communication is a request to state the name, the address, telephone number of each individual making such statement or communication. You got to remember what communication means. That's why they saying or. That's why they using the term or here. The name of any principal or employer that such individual was represented or employed or engaged in. And it goes down, right? But like B says the term person shall include natural person, partnership, corporation, joint venture, association, or other group, however they organized it. So this is what it means when you have to be thorough when you're doing certain things in court. Again, a lot of things people think is assumed just because it's there. You can't assume the other party knows anything. Because if they don't respond the way you want them and you didn't give them specific instructions, that's nobody's fault but yours. Nobody's fault but yours. You want to make sure a request to fully explain any answer, denial, or claim. They have to specifically state each fact or contention in support of the answer, denial, claim. They just can't say deny. You know, if you don't know those things, they're going to play your face and they're going to just say, oh, we deny, and things like that. You have general questions and identification of documents. So they're asking, please include the person answering each of the instant interrogatories. Identify all documents which contain information concerning the instant transaction. Here we get into the TILA coverage, because yesterday, if you was on YouTube, no, it wasn't YouTube, I was on TikTok. I was live on TikTok, and we kind of briefly discussed TILA and what its purpose was and why Congress declared it. And one of those words, you know, that I was looking for people to say was disclosure, disclosure, disclosure. Disclosure to the average person may just think, oh, they didn't just tell me everything I need to know. Now, if you don't know what you need to know, how can you speak that in court? Grand Rising, how can you speak that in court? If you don't know what they're supposed to tell you, how can you speak that in court? If you have TILA claims, it must be regarding disclosures for the original creditor, because that's where it is governed under. Okay, because that's where everything was supposed to happen when you filled out an original application. Everything is supposed to have been told to you from the get-go. So look at it, they're asking about the calendar year of the that preceded the date of consummation. Now, again, if you know these things, once they give you that date, you can run with it, and it'll be very bad for them. The number of persons to whom the original creditor granted the right to defer payment. This sounds very familiar. If you've been studying these terms, you should know exactly where that came from. The number of transactions in which the original creditor took a security interest in a dwelling. Notice we're not saying real estate. We're not saying real property. Why? Because real property is a commercial term. Who knows what HOEPA stands for? Who knows what HOP, as you see it on the screen right here, says the total number of transactions covered by HOEPA? Andrea, greetings. Tamara, hello. Who knows what HOEPA is? We're talking about Truth and Linen here. This is a set of interrogatories going over some samples. If you had a claim under TILA, it's just a sample. So this is not written in stone what you have to say. It has to be like this, because I'm telling you, your situation is going to vary. Okay? It's going to vary. Anybody knows what it means? Bianca says she does. Anybody knows what the HOEPA mean in TILA? I thought you didn't know, Bianca. I thought you didn't know, Bianca. Well, them fingers work quick. Them little short fingers work quick, Bianca. So, yes, it is the Home Ownership and Equity Protection Act. Home ownership and Equity Protection Act. That's an amendment to the Truth in Lending Act that protects consumers from predatory mortgage lending. Okay. So it's all good. It's all good. So they're looking for the total number of such transactions in which the original creditor took a security interest in the dwelling and that's covered under the HOEPA. Hey, Moni. They also want you to identify all persons having personal knowledge. Now, if you just coming in, we're going over a sample set of interrogatories for a TILA claim regarding predatory lending and disclosures. And I'm going to show you how deep this can get. And again, this is not something that's written in stone that you have to do. This is just a sample of some things that's going to vary by everybody's different situation. Of course, they're looking for identifying anybody that have any personal knowledge. And we already know the TILA affords them to have some sort of bona fide error, right? So we're giving them the opportunity here. Please fully describe any instruction given to any employees or agents or assignees or the original creditor as to required disclosures under the TILA Act. Include subject matter of that instruction, by whom it was given, whether it was mandatory or voluntary. This is key. How many hours each individual natural person spent under such instruction. We need them to explain their procedures adapted to avoid clerical calculation. And the reason why you're doing this question is because they can't use that as a defense if they are able to provide those things for you. And they need those things to properly operate. Right? Payments and balance owed. State the total amount you allege to be owing on the instant transaction as the date. I love that term, instant transaction, because it instantly happened. You didn't have to go anywhere outside of how you tried to deceive me and said you had to go through another bank, or you had to go through here, you had to go through there. That was a lie, right? Such the total amount of money that the plaintiff has paid to you. Thank you guys for the hearts. I appreciate it. Let me find APOC's other song. Hold on, y'all. Let me get APOC's other one. This one right here. If this is assignee maintaining an escrow account for real estate taxes and or insurance for the defendant, if so, state the purpose of the escrow and the amount in escrow and identify to whom the funds are dispersed from escrow. Credit insurance violations. We talk about this on the 1605. At the time of the instant transaction, was it your procedure to require any of the consumers to purchase credit, life, or disability insurance? If so, explain fully, stating the criteria applied. Right? That's that language. And determining which consumers, I know it says customers, I'm saying consumers, which consumers were required to purchase such insurance, and identifying the persons having personal knowledge. Was the cost of credit, life, or disability insurance separately disclosed in writing to the plaintiff before the plaintiff signed the contract? Signed the statement of desire for such insurance contained in this disclosure statement. I told y'all insurance is included with the transaction. This is how you want to word your questions. Refinancing. Improper treatment of fees. List separately all persons to whom charges, fees, or other amounts were paid in connection with this transaction. We want the name and the check number. The check number. Everyone says, well, where's a copy of the check? They could create a copy of a check. You got to understand what you're saying. Again, these people on the internet will tell you anything. Just ask them for a copy of the check. If they gave you a check, ask them where's a copy of the check. You know how easy it is. You see people online creating diplomas. They creating all types of stuff. CNA licenses, medical degrees. And you think they can't create a check? Come on, man. Let me get the check number, because that's what's going to be able to track it down. Right? Describe your relationship with any of these people. We talking about employees, organizations, and list all lending transactions in which you have been involved. Explain the nature of the charge, whether it was a HUD settlement statement or POC, right? State the date, the payee, and the amount of each payment that represents any portion of this charge. Yes, the verbiage, the verbiage, the verbiage. Y'all smiling so hard. I appreciate y'all. Thank y'all so much. And if you in the Buy Me a Coffee platform, we're going to be going over a lot of these and in the near future. So this is just for YouTube. For everybody that's in the private community, we definitely going to be going over these a lot more. How was the decision made with which existing obligations or plaintiff will be consolidated into the loans made by the original creditor? It does have many layers. It's very layered. It's like a 7-layer salad, you know? Or you see those, my grandma used to make like an 18-layer cake. They was real thin, and they used to have like just like that, a yellow cake with like chocolate. You know those? They got them now like an IGA and stuff. She used to make those. So it's so many layers. But when you put them all together, baby, it is so good. It is so, so good. How was the decision made with the existing obligations of the plaintiff would be consolidated into loans by the original creditor? Let me say this right now. I know a lot of people, and if it's not you, you know who you are, you know exactly what I'm speaking of. If it's not, just disregard it. I'm telling you now, if you think you're just gonna ask these questions in court and think you're gonna win, that's not going to work. Why? Because you got to be able to state your claim to even get your case heard before you even try to put on some send some interrogatories. Okay, so don't think, oh, I got it down pack, I'm finna go win. No, you got to get your statement claim. This is court, and they don't have to respond to you via mail, because again, they're going to wait for you to go to court to see if you know what you're doing, because it's hard to state your claim on the TILA. A lot of people don't know how to do that. Identify any and all documents pertaining to the practice by either the assignee or original creditor of refinancing loans of existing customers. What, in your view, was the purpose of underlying the loans, and how did the loans benefit the plaintiff? We always talk about the benefit, do we not? We always talk about the benefits. The benefits is what happens. If you don't get no benefit, this is the language from TILA, even ECOA. If you're not receiving the benefit, what good is it doing me? How am I benefiting by getting a credit card and I have to pay it back if I gave you the credit? See what I'm saying? Fully explain the manner in which the witness, the credit application in this case was taken, including the identity of the individual applying for credit, the identity of the employee who took the application, the manner in which this was done, the date and time of the application. Identify each telephone contact between the plaintiff to this instant transaction. Identifying the location at which closing of the credit transaction took place. Identify all persons present at the closing, including their function and any statements they made. Because if you get their statements, you're going to hear that it was paid when you signed off. List each entity who now has or has ever had any interest in the underlying note, including but not limited to the broker, the table funder, the correspondent lender, the originator, the lender, the originator, the lender. I said it twice, one more time. The originator, the lender, warehouse lender, trustee, investor, trustee under a pool and service agreement. That's the pool I told you they sent you to, REMIC. That's REMIC. If you ever put REMIC, go to Google and put in REMIC, REMIC, the REMIC pool, and you'd be surprised at what pops up. If there is any relationship of any sort between the original creditor and assignee, including but not limited to provision of financing from the assignee to the original creditor. If yes, fully explain the description of the relationship, identify all documents pertaining to this relationship, and identify the person most knowledgeable about the relationship. State the number and total of dollar amount of the original credit loans and assignee's current portfolio. The current portfolio. They want the name and address and telephone numbers of all assignee consumers residing in whatever location it is. If you say you're in Minnesota, whatever, you want to say Eastern, whatever your location is, that's up to you. That's location information. You can find that under the FDCPA under 15 U.S.C. 692, so you can know exactly what they're speaking of. Regarding loans acquired from the original creditor, provide a breakdown for those loans originated in how many years, showing the loans originated in such years and the loans still remain in the assignee's portfolio. You know what that means when you're asking, do it still remain? Like, do you understand? Is it making sense to anybody in the comments? Please put yes in the comments if this is making sense. Is assignee aware of the underwriting guidelines utilized by the original creditor? You know what utilize mean? If so, identify the documents that contain or refer to such guidelines. Describe any and all underwriting, file audit, and due diligence conducted by the assignee to purchasing mortgages from original creditor. When I tell you guys to begin to read, I'm not just telling you that just because I want to just have you do something or I don't want to give you anything, but everything you just saw, you have heard in these laws, but somehow it wasn't connecting because you didn't begin to study for comprehension. You try to study just for remedy. There's two different ways. Studying for comprehension, it will get you more ideas and aha moments versus, oh, let me just study to see how I can win this case. Oh, let me just study this part so I can see I can get this. That's the difference. So I'm grateful that I was able to help 1, 2, 3, 4 people said yes. So 4 out of the 12, that's better than none. I'm grateful for y'all being here. Like I said, this is just the beginning. Next Wednesday, when we go over whatever topic we do and Buy Me a Coffee platform, we will go over some sample documents as well. And for the people that's in VIP, during your Q&A, if you depending on your situation, of course, you're gonna have to prove. You just can't tell me if you got a situation going on. I will be able to provide you more clarity with samples as well. And it's a reason why y'all in VIP, because you guys understand that, okay, I get Ozma, I get what she's saying. I know she says I need to do this on my own, but there's something about just a closed mouth not getting fed. So I totally get both sides of the coin. So I don't want y'all to think, oh, well, why you up here telling us that we don't need you? Because it's the difference between your needs and your wants. You know what I'm saying? And you want to win. You want to be better. So I get that part. But technically, you can do it on your own. But I understand the needs and wants. But give thanks to you, Bianca. Give thanks to you. So again, y'all already know how this works. Give it 3 to 5 days. You're going to see it plastered all over the internet about instant transactions and things of that nature. I hope y'all have a great day. See y'all later on TikTok. Peace. I appreciate y'all. And if y'all want to support, I know everyone asks me, you could go to buymeacoffee.com, let my people go if you want to support that way. If not, it's all gravy with me. Have a blessed one.